Once again, I've decided to try to knock another shot off the list from my little book of photos that I want to take. To do this, we went up to Skyliner Snow Park and strapped on our snowshoes and headed out for a hike. Along the way, we stopped at Shooting Star Shelter and warmed up a little bit. When we finally arrived at our location, clouds covered the mountains and I couldn't get the shot that I wanted. Sometimes the day is for you and sometimes it's not, and that's how it goes. But the hike on its own was totally worth it. Someone made a stupid idea to try to go down the side of this thing, but somehow we ended up sledding down it on our butts, which is really fun actually. This is pretty sick.